In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fib Time Zone in TradingView. This is a simple, time-based Fibonacci tool that helps you anticipate when the market might become active around future dates, based on the rhythm of a previous swing. It doesn't predict price direction by itself, but it can highlight windows where you may want to pay closer attention. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Pick the market and time frame you're analyzing so the context is clear. You want a clean view of price action with obvious swing highs and lows, because this tool works best when it's anchored to meaningful turning points. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Gann and Fibonacci tools menu. From that list, select Fib Time Zone. Your cursor will switch to placement mode and the chart will be ready for 2 anchor clicks. The tool needs 2 points to define the timescale. Your first click should go at the start of a trend, typically a major swing low for an uptrend or a major swing high for a downtrend. Think of this as the beginning of the move you want to study. Your second click goes on the next significant swing point that completes that initial leg. For an up move, that's usually the next prominent swing high. For a down move, the next prominent swing low. These 2 anchors tell the tool how long that initial move took, and it then projects Fibonacci-based time intervals forward from there. Once you've placed both points, you'll see a series of vertical lines extending into the future. These lines correspond to Fibonacci numbers in time, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and they create potential time windows. You're not looking for price to hit a specific level at those moments. You're watching for price behavior to change around those dates. That could mean a pause, a reversal attempt, or a burst in momentum. Always combine these time zones with what price is actually doing on the chart. Candles, structure, and trend are your confirmation. A few quick tips for accuracy. Choose well-defined swings rather than minor blips, and place your anchors carefully on the wick or body that best represents the turning point. If your anchors aren't ideal, simply reposition them until the projection aligns with the swing you intended to measure. Keep your time frame consistent with your goal. Intraday traders may prefer shorter charts, while swing traders often choose daily or higher. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, select Fib Time Zone, and place 2 thoughtful anchors. Let the projected time windows guide your focus, and let price action confirm the story.